In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable notifications in Sprout Social. Understanding how to manage your notifications can truly enhance your experience by keeping you informed without overwhelming you with unnecessary alerts. Let's dive right into the step-by-step guide to help you personalize these settings to suit your needs. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. Start by clicking on your initials or avatar located at the bottom left corner of the Sprout Social interface. This will open a menu where you need to select Account and Settings and then proceed to Settings. Once you're in the settings, it's time to concentrate specifically on the Notifications section. You'll find this area under Global Features, and this is where you can take control of the various alerts you receive. Now, you'll notice several notification categories presented to you. Each one serves a distinct purpose, and it's important to understand them so you can customize your settings effectively. Let's break down what each category means. First, you have account notifications, which are fundamental system-level alerts. These will keep you informed about crucial updates and issues related to your account. Next, there's collaboration notifications. This category covers events like comments, mentions, and similar interactions within Sprout Social. Then, you have publishing notifications. These are particularly useful because they alert you about post approvals, the status of scheduled posts, and so forth. Moving on, there's the Smart Inbox notifications. These alerts are for reply approvals or any message activity that requires your attention. Lastly, listening notifications will inform you of topic spikes or any activity that might be noteworthy within your listening queue. With the categories clarified, it's time to determine how you'd like to receive each type of notification. You're given several options here as well. You can choose to get email notifications if you prefer receiving updates directly in your inbox. The drawer option refers to in-app notifications you can access through the notification bell. Toast notifications are brief pop-up alerts that appear while you're using the app. If you have Slack integrated with Sprout Social, you can select this option to get notifications directly through your Slack channels, ensuring you stay updated with minimal disruption to your workflow. After you've carefully toggled the notification types and delivery methods according to your preferences, remember to save your settings. This step is crucial. You wouldn't want to spend all this time setting things up only to have them not take effect. Saving ensures that your new preferences are locked in and ready to go. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tailoring your notifications in Sprout Social, ensuring you stay connected seamlessly. We hope this helps create a more manageable and personalized notification experience for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.